Welcome, crypto goats. We are going to be talking about Connector Coin. This project currently has a massive pre-sale that is about to get started. You do not want to miss out on this, so we are going to be diving into this awesome project. Okay, so welcome back. As stated, crypto goats. We're talking about Connector Coin. This is the official currency of the Connector app. You guys will see right here that they are launching on the Polygon network, so users will get secure, fast, and almost free transactions. And right here, you guys will see we have a definite use case, demand and reward. So advertisers pay crypto to appear on the Connector map. And we have, when using Connector Coin, advertisers get 50% discounts. 10% of inflow goes to independent account executives. 5% of advert inflow rewards Connector early adopters. A separate 5% block is given to all active users. Increasing user count drives advertiser demand for coin. Tokenomics, ERC20 as in Polygon. Ticker symbol is CNCTR. Back supply is 313 million. You guys will see issuance is almost about 39 to 40 million. So you guys will see right here, ICO price, ladies and gents, got 25. Connector app, you can leverage the power of international relationships like the 1% do. You find a new friend who shares your hobbies and lives nearby. Skip all the Mr. Wrongs and find Mr. Right. Talk to a plumber who is already in the area directly, immediately. Be notified of upcoming concerts, events, wherever you are. Meet up with groups for classes, gatherings. Grow your tribe, business, club very fast. You can even use their direct messenger inside the app. You guys will even see you can receive Connector Coin in your wallet monthly. And we have voluntary values. They are voluntarinist. They believe that they can build a peaceful world. So if we can find what we need with voluntary relationships, instead of using violence and corrosion of government, they are building Connector app and Connector Coin with primary mission to help others leverage power of international relations. Team, we have the author, public speaker, creator of Connector. We have developer, electrical engineer, technology investor. We have experienced crypto project promotion. And we have PhD, psychology, statistics, server dev. So you guys will see that they do have a white paper. You're more than welcome to check this out. There's going to be a lot of important details here. Let us know what you think. Most importantly, check them out for their pre-sale. You guys will see, once again, we got a total of 3 days. I need to make sure that you connect your wallet. For example, let's say MetaMask, right? You need to make sure that you are on the correct network, ladies and gentlemen. You need to have Polygon, right? So you are going to connect your wallet. They're looking to raise a total of 200,000 Matic. You guys can actually see that the soft cap is a total of 50,000. Manual listing for liquidity. You guys will see right there, maximum buy is 10, minimum buy is 20. So a lot of things happening here. Check out their affiliate link. Use the link down below, you guys. Join them in their Telegram. And most importantly, make sure you guys are part of the Twitter. Show some love for this project. Other than that, we'll see you later. Crypto Goat.